Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 14th of January 2018. Okay guys, I'm going to start today's discussion from AUDJPY. So I have supplied the bullish signal in case of AUDJPY. The entry was 77684 and the target price was 78064, and guys, you can clearly see right from the entry we have seen a significant upward trend, and in 3 hours ago we have hit the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, that was 78064. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on AUDJPY. They must have collected the decent profit. Okay, now let's talk about the EURJPY, the second last pair of my signals report. A bullish trend was supplied from 124,106 and 124419 was the target price. However, the target price is not met, but if you look at here, the market has went up to 124, just a second please, the market has went up to 124356. so overall we have you can say that 90% of the signal was expired here, and so if you have done scalping on AUD EURJPY, then you must have collected the decent profit. Okay, now let's move towards the Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, there is a sell position was advised. Let me switch my chart here. Okay, sell position was advised, but I have just taken the early entries on Great Britain Pound JPY and have collected and have done scalping in the morning. But later on, it has moved into another direction, so it must have hit the stop loss of rest of the traders. However, I have not followed this entry. I have went into another direction. I have placed the sell order from here, but I have done scalping on that time, so this is profit belongs to that time. So after that, the market has moved into another direction, so hopefully it must have hit the stop loss of many traders. Okay, now let's talk about the USDCHF. Another signal that was satisfied was a bearish trend from my side from 098303 and 097909 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry we have seen the drop on USDCHF, and finally the pair is down. So if you have collected the profit, then there was no problems because it was a very easy signal from my side. Okay, now let's talk about AUDUSD, another satisfied signal of the day. A bullish trend was supplied from 071825 and 072097 was the target price, which you can see that before 3 hours we have hit the target price. We have a strong upward trend on AUDUSD and the market has touched the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, which is 072097. So I congratulate all traders who have taken the buy positions today on AUDUSD as per my recommendations. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Same thing, guys. Happened that you know that I'm talking about that we have done scalping in the morning. So when it has break, I have supplied the bearish trend. When it has break the level, it was going down, but we had to close the trade because the market started to go into another direction. So we had done scalping on this pair, but overall I'm sure that it must hit the stop loss of the rest of the traders. But overall, Great Britain Pound JPY and Great Britain Pound USD were the two signals that went opposite into the direction. Okay, now let's talk about another satisfied signal of the day, which is New Zealand USD. 068018 was the bullish entry and 068343 was the target price. And guys, if you look at the pattern here, that's a strong upward momentum. Throughout the entry, you cannot see a single bearish candle. You can see that the market is kept on going up and up. And with this situation also, if you look at here, the scalper has also pointed a buy signal in the form of white arrow, and look how swiftly the market has went up. So overall, if you have followed the signal, then you must be in a very good profit. At last, going to talk about the EURUSD, which remained most volatile throughout the day. It was just leaning on the level. However, we have done some sort of scalping, but overall, guys, the entry is 114747, 115251 is the bullish entry from my side. So guys, if it goes into the bullish direction during the US session, then you can trade it because this signal still is on the way. It is you cannot say that it is not fully triggered at the moment, because if you look at here, the market is just leaning on a certain level. It has shown us the volatility within a certain range, but it has not followed the one direction. So overall, you know that this happens on Monday, because you know that the Monday are always slow for trading, but overall it was a very successful day with rest of the signals. Okay, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair, and if the scalper I'm talking about the red arrow. If the red arrow points you sell position in the top red boundary, then you can take a sell position. Look, the pair has went down, and whenever you see that the market is gaining the momentum from the lower red boundary, like it happened to on from 14th of January, you can see that the market started to go up from the lower red boundary, and then it closed above the dotted line. Then again it went up. So whenever you see that the hourly candle is closed above the dotted line, there are still chances for the further momentum. And whenever you see that the candle is closed below the dotted line, then we can expect the downward trend. And this is how we use the trading system. And moreover, the price monitor is there to help you. When it gives the green signal, it means buy. When it gives the red signal, it means you need to sell the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all these please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, also please press the bell button so that you can subscribe my channel, because I will be going to give you the daily analysis of the market, and that's very important so that you can also come to know about your mistakes where you have made the mistakes today. Okay guys, waiting for your inquiries. Have a nice day. Goodbye.